Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to create group in Instagram 2023. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are here, head on over to your conversations, and the next step is to click on this button right here on the upper right. It's to write a new message. Over at New Messages, look for the username you want to add in the group chat. Make sure this is 2 or more people. Now, it is very important that you add 2 or more people so it will become a group chat, because if you don't, it will just be a direct message. And then tap chat on the upper right. As you can see over here, there's already a group chat that you already made. Just send the message. In here, you can even change the group chat name and the group chat photo, depending on whatever new group is. Just send them the message, then all of them should receive it at the same time. And they can all reply in real time as well. Tap on their names on the upper part this time, and then you can see again the group chat name and everything, and also the members. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.